Well, I got it. Doing the timing chain. Doing the timing chain with it in the car, the motor in the car. Yeah, doing the timing chain, the guides, tensioner, everything, and oil change, water pump, all that shit. But so I got the timing chain off, got the guides off, cleaning the surface of the mating timing chain case cover. Got everything lined up. The crank is lined up with that dot on the top. I'm just cleaning the mating surfaces. Other than that, new chain's about to go on. So, hang in there. Alright, I got the timing chain in, guides, top timing chain guide, both timing chain guides, chain, my lower drag cartel timing chain guide thing.
I know which one it is, obviously. Get my top out of the car. My knife is not here. Oh wait, no, my knife is here. It's in the backpack.
My old timing chain tensioner.
I'm gonna speak Animal Crossing for the rest of my life. Do you know how to speak Animal Crossing?
Junk. 174,000 miles. Well, she's running. She's running, no problems, no check engine lights, no nothing. No knocking, no rattling, no banging, no nothing. First time ever doing a timing chain. Just bleeding this coolant system right now.